Assalamu alaikum guys. So today she's gonna show you how to make Debes Remman, which is basically sausages, Lebanese sausages cooked in pomegranate molasses, and it's an absolutely authentic and traditional Lebanese dish using Lebanese sausages. Basically, if I had to tell you what's the nearest sausage to that, it's probably chorizo, savory. So find yourself some halal chorizo if you can't get Lebanese sausages. It's a mini spiced sausage, absolutely delicious any which way, but this one is even better. So you start off by sauteing the sausages. You don't add any oil to this because they contain enough fat to lubricate the pan. So when the sausages are halfway cooked, you add some chopped onions and crushed garlic. Season with a little bit of pepper. This is more for the onion, and the smallest pinch of salt. And you drop a little small knob of butter for the extra flavor. So once the sausages have cooked all the way through, so the heat was on high from start to finish. And once they've cooked all the way through, that's when you add your pomegranate molasses. So that's when you add the pomegranate molasses. And a squeeze of freshly cut lemon. And then stir it well.
Let it cook for a little bit, just to marinate the flavors.
Just cook it for a few more seconds, just to marinate all the flavors, and you're done. Garnish with some roasted pine nuts or any nuts that you have available. And it's ready for your belly. So this is traditionally eaten with flat bread, but it can be eaten with any bread. You can even try putting this sausage recipe in a hot dog bun, and you'll never have a normal hot dog again after having this delicious dish. It's an absolute winner. And if you like what you've seen in this recipe, please give us a like and subscribe.